If your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you're not alone. This is one of the most common problems Fire TV users face, and the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the real reasons your Fire TV won't connect to Wi-Fi and explain step-by-step solutions that actually work. Why it happens. A Fire TV usually fails to connect to Wi-Fi because it can't maintain a stable signal with the router. This can happen if the device is too far away, blocked by walls or furniture, or connected to an overloaded network. Incorrect Wi-Fi passwords, temporary router glitches, or compatibility issues between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks can also prevent a successful connection. In some cases, outdated Fire OS software or insufficient power supply causes network instability. Try these steps to fix them. Step 1. Restart everything. One of the most effective fixes is restarting both the Fire TV and your internet equipment. Unplug your Fire TV from power, then turn off your modem and router. Wait for about 1 full minute before plugging everything back in. This clears temporary network errors and refreshes the connection. Once all devices are powered on, try reconnecting the Fire TV to Wi-Fi again. Step 2. Reconnect Wi-Fi. Sometimes the Fire TV remembers incorrect network data. To fix this, go to Settings, open Network, select your Wi-Fi network, and choose the option to forget it. After that, reconnect by selecting the network again and carefully re-entering the correct password. Even a small typing mistake can stop the Fire TV from connecting, so double-check every character. Step 3. Check network band. Fire TV devices support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. While 5 GHz offers faster speeds, it has a shorter range and struggles through walls. If your Fire TV is far from the router, switching to a 2.4 GHz network often solves the issue because it provides better coverage. If your router uses a single combined network name, separating the bands in router settings can help. Step 4. Update software. Outdated Fire TV software can cause connectivity bugs. To check for updates, go to Settings, select My Fire TV, open About, and choose Check for Updates. Installing the latest Fire OS version can fix hidden network issues and improve overall performance. Make sure the device stays powered on during the update process. Step 5. Power supply. Using a TV's USB port to power a Fire TV can cause problems because it may not deliver consistent power. This can lead to Wi-Fi drops or connection failures. Always use the official power adapter and cable that came with your Fire TV. A stable power supply helps maintain a stable internet connection. Step 6. Last resort. If nothing else works, a factory reset may be necessary. This option should only be used as a final step because it removes all apps and settings. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, choose Reset to Factory Defaults, and follow the on-screen instructions. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and set up the device again from scratch.